Hey you guys, and welcome back to another year of the 12 Days of Christmas. Come on in. Hey you guys, and welcome to the 2018 edition of the 12 Days of Christmas. Before we get started with this video, I wanted to share something kind of special that we're doing to give back to our community here in Tampa. We are absolutely the biggest fans of a local nonprofit organization called A Kids Place of Tampa Bay. They work to keep siblings together who have been removed from their homes. So what we decided to do is to donate 10% of any of the proceeds generated from the 12 Days of Christmas videos here on YouTube back to A Kids Place. And the way you can help is simply by watching the videos. Every time you watch or share, it helps us to give more back to them. So I hope you're inspired by that. I'll have a link to their website in the description box if you'd like to go and find out more information about their organization or to give directly to them. Thank you for a fabulous year. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I wish you much love and peace. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Well, we certainly have been busy over the past several days, huh? I've shared some tips on decorating a really tall tree as well as an average sized tree like the 7.5-foot flocked King of Christmas tree. I've also shared some tips on how to achieve a really full look when styling your mantle. I shared a fun DIY project for a really cute custom tree topper, as well as a really fun crafting project with kids. This girl needs a little break from DIY and decor, so today I'm going to share the best hot chocolate recipe ever. I found this recipe a couple years ago and the original version was a little too sweet, so I tweaked it just a bit, but you will need to go ahead and grab your crock pot and turn it on to start getting it warmed up. You'll need 1.5 cups of whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You'll also need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And here is where I tweak things a bit. You're going to need about 2 cups of chocolate chips. The recipe called for milk chocolate. I changed it to semi-sweet chocolate. When I tried the milk chocolate, it literally felt like my teeth were going to fall out of my head. So this one is a little more tolerable, but it's definitely for the chocolate lovers. And finally, you'll want to add 6 cups of milk. Give it a good whisk to get all of the chocolate morsels from clumping up on the bottom, and you'll want to do that periodically for 2 hours. The hot cocoa is perfect on its own, but it wouldn't be hot cocoa for my kids without some really cool marshmallows and other fun things that they like to adorn their mugs with. And for the adult version of this beverage, I add 1 ounce of Kahlua liqueur. I always find the cutest mug toppers and shaped marshmallows from Williams-Sonoma, like the ones you see here. So grab your cocoa and hang out around the tree. And of course, it wouldn't be a visit to the North Pole without a ride on the Polar Express, right? Oh, and yes, the smoke on this train really smells like hot chocolate. Hashtag best mom ever. I'll have the train and the hot chocolate smoke linked in the description box below for you guys. Until next time, love and peace.